Hi Stark State, this is just a quick glimpse at our SSC101 course. This is a master shell for the 16-week Web 2, Web 3 modality. The different shells will look just a little different based on if it's the 8-week face-to-face or 8-week online or maybe 16-week face-to-face. But for the most part, they follow the same format, have the same information. It's just the way they might be organized to fit the modality and the session. So first off, like many of the other courses here online at Stark State, instructors can customize their homepage, their Start Here page. This is probably going to look familiar, but students, when they get in, they can access this. They see their links to their syllabi. There's a course tour there through eStark State. You have your instructor welcome. You also have a lot of different resources here that students may utilize, both for this course and other courses. Things like Blackboard student help, or maybe they just need to look at their policies and procedures. We also have the link to our textbook here. So the textbook in this course is an OER, which means that it is free and it's easily accessible for students day one. So they have access immediately. So this textbook is very user-friendly. They can get in. It takes us right to chapter 1. We can navigate through the different table of contents there. There are also usually PowerPoints. Some instructors upload videos that go through lectures of the chapter, and then a lot of the assignments are based on content or actual exercises from the textbook itself. So if we go into the lessons area, again, this is going to look probably familiar to a lot of other courses you might teach. In SSC 101, there are workshop assignments that are associated with the class, and there's kind of some confusion with that. So students do have to take two different types of workshops. The first type of workshop is this right here, the note-taking and financial literacy workshop. These are embedded in the course, which means students can take them in person, daytime listed whenever they sign up for the course, or they can watch it live via Zoom, or they can watch it after the fact. There's an assignment connected with these workshops as well. The other type of workshop that SSC 101 students have to take that cannot be financial literacy or note-taking connected is a student services assignment workshop. This is due at the end of their 8-week or 16-week session, and this is a workshop they can attend put on by the digital library or disability support services or career services. So it's any workshop of their choosing, and they submit a certificate that they attended that workshop. So those are the two different types of workshops SSC 101 students have to take. Something else that they'll see in here that we like to point out to students early on is that they do have to take a required syllabus quiz that will gain them access to week 1, and this ensures that they have spent some time going over the syllabus and know the basic policies of the course. Again, they have another link to the textbook right there, but once we scroll down here, all the weeks are set up in a very similar way. So I'm just going to click on week 3, for instance. So in every week, they're going to have kind of the overview, the items they're going to read and review, what they are doing in terms of assignments, and then there's a material folder that's just what it sounds like, the materials that they may need for that particular week. And then the assignment folder where they're actually completing their assignments. And so in an online class, they do have discussion forums due typically every Wednesday or Thursday, just depends on the instructor what date they like to have set. If they are taking a face-to-face class, they still have these forums, but they're in the form of a journal. So they're getting the same content, just in a different format. And again, sometimes instructors may have this set up a little differently. They might have like a folder right above the week that goes over the videos for that week or any other supplemental materials that might be helpful. And each of these weeks are set to open based on the week of the semester it is. So there's usually not more than 1 week showing, but that can also be instructor preference. And then again, like all other courses, you have your resources here on the side that walks you through different sites where students could get some help, and then their course messages and their announcements. So this is a quick glimpse at SSC 101. Again, it's going to look a little different based on if this is a face-to-face or an 8-week or 16-week. The primary difference inside the content is that discussion forum versus a journal. Other than that, the expectations are pretty much the same. The workshop assignments are the same. The assignments themselves are the same every week. So If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to any instructors that you know who teach SSC 101, myself, Linda Remark, or the SSC 101 coordinator, Therese Revlock. Thanks so much for watching.